on or off messages on your page. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off to allow people send messages to your page on Messenger, easy and quick. First thing, go to your page on Facebook. By click on those three lines and click on your page. It's gonna be beside your profile. Now if you didn't find it here, just click on pages and you're gonna find pages you manage. Click on the page you want to turn on or off the messages in it and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now all you need to do is click on general and you're gonna find Messenger. To allow people to contact my page privately in Messenger, click on or off wherever you want. In here you can choose. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.